Now, in this webinar, I'm going to present an overview of a number of the key features of the UPC and the Unitary patent. But the underlying theme I want you to have in mind is the possibility of forum shopping that these present. Because in the UPC system, there will be various layers. The first is to opt out of the UPC altogether, which you can do for European patents, but not Unitary patents. If you opt out your European patents, they remain in the current national litigation systems. I'm going to cover that last of all. But there's a second layer of forum shopping. This is for European patents that are not opted out, and it lasts the 7-year transitional period. As I'll explain, this gives a dual jurisdiction during that transitional period in which you can start an action, or your opponent starts an action against you, in the National Court or the UPC. Then there's effectively a third layer to forum shopping, which is in the UPC itself. I'll cover the main rules on that too. But to do all of this, we also need to understand the structure of the UPC, particularly on the following aspects: the role of the Court of Justice of the EU and the European Patent Office, the structure of the UPC panels and its judges, what language will apply and what law, and I'll also give an overview of procedure with a particular emphasis on preliminary injunctions. Then we'll look back at the UPC jurisdictional rules, in particular joining and bifurcating actions. And finally, I'll cover opt-out and the considerations that go into an opt-out decision. Before I do all of that, just as a reminder, not all European countries